Good morning, everybody. Thursday morning, 6:35. Hoping I get some loads today. And after today, I'm taking some time off with my family. We'll see how that works out. Here at work, see what I can get today, because it's been slow since the end of the year. There hasn't been much of loads, so we'll see what we get. So we'll see you later on, see what I get. Good morning, everybody. Got me a load going to 290 in a little while. It's a good load. You can see what it is. Morning load. Finally got something. I'm pretty sure it's going to be a slow day today. So we'll see how we're going to do. Yeah, that's it right there. That's my load for the day. Well, I dropped off the load in the bag. I apologize for not making a video, but I forgot all about it. So right now I'm in Katy, Texas, picking up an airbag. So I'm back to Houston. And I don't even know if we're going to have more load into this completely slow. But can't wait till the end of the day. After the day I'll be on vacation with the family. I wasn't supposed to work today, but I said, what the heck, another day ain't gonna hurt me. So that's why I'm here. And as you can see, I'm driving a Isuzu because the two loads that I dropped off are HEB distribution with 2 long pallets. And so now I'm here in Katy picking up this stuff. So let's head back to Houston, see what's going on. I'll be back with you. Hopefully have something, but we'll see. Talk to you later. Well, I'm done with my loads. Now it's just relax, and I will be gone for a week on vacation. So y'all have a good New Year's, and I'll probably record some stuff from out of town, see if I can get it on the camera. But y'all be blessed. Y'all God bless everybody, and we'll see y'all next week.